1. Although it's not entirely clear what the first 3G phone was, that device may be the NTT Docomo Foma in 2001, produced by NEC and launched in Japan in 2001. Its price was around $344. 3G technology was a significant evolution compared to 2G. 2. Italy is the country with the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites. It has 61 UNESCO sites as of July 2025, including the archaeological areas of Pompeii, the early Christian monuments of Ravenna and Castel del Monte. 3. The country with the most saunas per capita is Finland. This country has about 3 million saunas for a population of 5.5 million. 4. Mexico produces the largest quantity of avocados among all countries. Around 30% of the world's production of avocados comes from Mexico, which is the homeland of the avocado. 5. The first commercial Android smartphone ever was the HTC Dream, released in 2008. That device had a 3.2-inch display with a resolution of 320 by 480 pixels, a Qualcomm MSM7201A chipset, 528 MHz, and 192 MB of RAM. 6. Because communist Bulgaria, in the 1980s, did have advanced factories that produced processors, hard drives, floppy disks and industrial robots, this country was regarded as the Silicon Valley of the Eastern Bloc, or the Japan of the Balkans. 7. Romania does have one of the highest broadband internet speeds in the world. Just a few countries surpass Romania regarding broadband internet speed. 8. Oreo cookies are sold in over 100 countries. The US and China are the largest markets for Oreo. 9. The first Nintendo Switch gaming console was released on March 3, 2017. It has an NVIDIA custom Tegra processor, CPU plus GPU, an LCD multi-touch screen, 6.2 inches with a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels, 32 GB of internal memory, 4 GB of RAM and a 4310 mAh battery. 10. The pendulum clock was invented by Christian Huygens, a Dutch inventor and scientist, in 1656. It was the most precise clock in the world for hundreds of years until the quartz clock was invented in the 1920s. 11. The last movie released on VHS was the American movie A History of Violence. It was released on VHS in 2006. 12. The first Samsung mobile phone was the Samsung SH100. It was produced and launched in South Korea in 1988, being one of the first mobile phones available on the South Korean market. 13. The first commercially available Sony mobile phone was the Sony CMH333. It was released in 1993. That device was an important step in Sony's development of mobile phones. 14. Nokia's first handheld mobile phone, which wasn't meant to be a phone for cars, was the Mobira Cityman 900. It was released in 1987 by Nokia Mobira and was still heavy and bulky by today's standards. 15. IKEA products are identified and named using actual Swedish words. Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of IKEA, was dyslexic and he could not get along with numerical codes. 16. When the moon is at its farthest point from the Earth, 405,696 kilometers, 252,088 miles, all the planets in the solar system can fit in between. 17. The Aztecs spoke the Nahuatl language and called themselves the Mexica, not Aztecs. 18. The first five-star hotel in India opened its doors in 1903. It's about the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel. 19. In the city of Rjukan, Norway, there are giant mirrors placed on the nearby mountains. Those mirrors reflect sunlight during winter to illuminate the city, a city that is normally shady during that season. 20. Due to its complexity and size, it is believed that human DNA has evolved much further than the DNA of any other organism.